Hello, I am JT, an engineer with Freedom Electronics, and I am going to demonstrate how to replace the Wayne Ovation 1 PPU assemblies with the FE-UPPU. Included in the FE-UPPU box will be a quick one-page installation guide, the FE-UPPU board itself, a backlight pigtail cable, the upper bracket for installation on LX panel, the lower bracket for installation on the LX panel, a pack of plastic rivets for installation on the LX panel, and a pack of screws for installation on the LX panel. FE-UPPU installation on the Gen 1 Ovation 1 panel in place of the 892136. First thing we'll need to do is remove the top bracket holding the 892136 in place from these 4 screws. We need to save these screws and this bracket to be used with the FE-UPPU. Once the bracket is removed, the 892136 will be free to be removed from the retention posts and pulled away from the slots in the panel. And then we can unplug the grade select buttons and remove the board from the panel. The panel is now ready for installation of the FE-UPPU. Get the FE-UPPU, and we need to verify our jumper settings are correct. We have JP7 will need to be uninstalled for use with the Gen 1 panel, and JP6 will either need to be installed or uninstalled depending on the configuration of the board. It will be installed for a cash credit dual level function. It will be uninstalled for a single level price and configuration. Once our jumper settings are correct, we are going to mount the FE-UPPU to the panel. We'll do that by first connecting the grade select buttons. Once the grade select buttons are connected, we will place the board in the slot in the bottom mounting posts and push the board onto the top mounting posts. So it will slot into this channel in the bottom posts on both sides, and it will press into the mounting posts in this mounting hole on both sides. Once the board is properly in place, we can install the bracket that we removed from the original panel. We'll install all 4 screws as it was previously installed. Once all 4 screws are in place on that top bracket, the FE-UPPU is fully installed on the Gen 1 Ovation 1 panel.